Hello everyone, this is your boy Apostle from Viral Loops, and God, I'm so excited for what I have to share with you today. Of course, I'm speaking about the Viral Loop story for Shopify, our newest update, feature, app, you name it, but Viral Loop story for Shopify is our version of Viral Loops for your Shopify store. So whether you want to increase your referral sales or, I don't know, build up an emailing list, this is the product for you people. Okay, I'm here to show you how you can set up your campaign. It's very easy, it's very effective, so let's get straight into it. So in order to start using the Viral Loop story for Shopify, you have to create a new campaign. You have to select the word of mouth sales. It's in beta. So select this template. And now you have to enter the Shopify domain of your store. For me, it's Apostleville. Good. I'm connecting it. This will open up Shopify. I don't need this. Good. As you can see here, you got a warning message from Shopify that says that the app isn't listed on the App Store. This is totally safe. We are just not featured yet because we want to test some things. Here you will see the permissions that you give, and you have to install the unlisted app. Great. And now you will be redirected back to Viral Loops. You have a message that your store is now connected, and this is kinda of a mock-up of how your widget will look on your store. So you have to change the color. Okay, I don't like this. I will go with a light blue. Like this. It's totally right. You can also adjust the position. I will leave it to the right. This is your widget. This is how it will eventually look. Good. And now let's go to the next step. Here in this step, you will set the rewards for purchases. So when a customer of yours invites their friends to make a purchase from your store, their friends will get a coupon when they sign up, and your customers will also get a coupon once their friend completes a purchase. Here you can see the coupon options. We have both for the referrer and the invitee, and you can choose between a percentage off or a monetary value off. The currency symbol for me is set on euro, and this is because of my Shopify store. My Shopify store is using euros. If your Shopify store uses dollars or pounds, you will have the correct currency symbol right here. So for the referrer, I can give them 10% off, 11, you name it. 20 is really good. And also for invitee, we can give them on the first purchase like 20 euros off. Okay, so let's go to the next step. In this step, you set the rewards for new signups. And the whole purpose of building a referral program for your store is to not only drive direct sales from referrals, but also enrich your email list, build a list so you can nurture further down these leads. So the thing is that this has the exact same mindset as a regular milestone referral campaign, and you can set the reward in milestones. You can change this. So on 4 referrals, they will get 10% off. On 10 referrals, they will get 20% off. And here on the last step, you see that they have swag from your store, but you can really change that further down. You will see how we can do it in this tutorial. So if it is swag from your store, you can do it on, 30. Yeah, 30 referrals. Good, let's press next. Note that these are the rewards that people will get when they bring new subscribers to your store. So let's press next. Last step of the wizard. From here you can enter the test mode or take your campaign live. I will keep it as a draft for now. Let's see the test mode. So this is my store, and this is how the widget will look. Good. I'm going to close this. As I told you, we are not going to take the campaign live for now, and let's go to the panel to see a bit more. Okay, once again, you can go live with your campaign from here, and you can also enter the test mode once again. From here, you can edit the rewards for purchases. Let's see this. This is a more detailed version from the one that we saw earlier in the setup wizard. So the invitee, what kind of coupon will you offer to people who sign up for your Shopify store? The invitee will get a coupon code for 20%, which you can choose from here again. I will leave it as it is. Also, the kind of coupon that you will offer to people who refer someone to your Shopify store, they will get 20 euros off. Now for recurring rewards, what kind of coupon will the referrer get when their referred friends make a purchase? So we have 20% off, and also one other factor that you can change is the minimum order value. So it's the amount of money that the invitees will have to purchase from your store in order for the referrer to get rewarded. So for example, if I invite a friend and they make an order that is bigger than 20 euros, then I will get the 20% off coupon. You can also set this to any value. Any value is fine. And also you have to set up the order confirmation window. In other words, you have to set up when will the order be considered as confirmed. You can select to be immediately, some days after, or manually. I will go with 14 days because, sometimes people make a purchase and they kind of regret it. So you have to give a time frame when you know that an order is considered as confirmed. Next, this is the milestones. This is for people, as I told you, that refer people to sign up for your email list. So in the first step, we had 3 milestones. I mean, the step that we saw in the setup wizard, we had 3 milestones, and the last milestone was to give swag, but you can change that from here. Okay, and you can give them like 50%, no, yeah, 50% off. Good. You can also add more milestones. 3 are totally okay. We are going to press next. Okay, and here we can edit the widget. We have 3 sub-tabs. We have the global options, we have the form state, and the sharing state. Let's go from the global options. You can change the heading. As you can see, the subheading, spread the word and get rewarded with goodies. Good. So the milestone reward text, when friends subscribe for us, make purchases from us. You can also have a learn more link text, and you can also change the primary color and of course the position of the widget on your page from left to right. I will leave it on left. Good. Let's go to the form state. From here you can change the sign up button text, join us. Okay, the email box placeholder, become ambassador, win rewards. This is pretty straightforward, but you can really change anything here. You can customize them. And let's go to the sharing state, the direct share button color, the email share button color. These are the two that are customizable, because the rest are according to the brand from Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, whatever, you name it. Of course, you can set up how Facebook sharing will look like. In other words, this is like a brief edit of your open graph. So the title will be "Join me on Apostleville." You can also write the description and edit the website name. And of course, you can upload an image that will be attached to your post. Good, I think we're good from here. We set up the widget. Let's go next to see the notifications. And here you have the welcome email, the successful referral email, and the milestone email. This is the exact same logic as any of our other templates. And you can edit all the emails. This is a preview of how it will look like. You can change the from name, the email address if you configure your outbound addresses, the subject, and the reply to address. And of course, you can upload an image. This is the main body of your email, which you can customize according to your needs. You can also use some of the merge tags that we have for you right here, the button text, the button URL text, and also the button background color. Let's go with this blue. You see it's changed right here. You can also send a test email. I will not do this now. I will save it. And also you can customize every email that we have here. The successful referral email, it's exactly the same logic. Save it. And also the milestone. Good. And from here you can also, because for every milestone you have to use a different kind of copy, in my opinion. Of course, you can also choose to use the same one. But if you want to use different emails for each milestone that you've set, you can do it from here. So I just edited for 4 referrals. We can do it for 5 referrals, or we can do for 6 referrals as well. Okay. And of course, you can edit the email as I showed you before. Save it. We can go to our integrations. We can integrate with your favorite services, with Slack, MailChimp, Google Analytics, MailJet, Segment, Facebook Pixel, Mixpanel, Zapier, Webhook, Custom.js, and we have Intercom coming soon. Next, I will not mess up with these. Also, you can edit the campaigns page from here. Good, and finish. And boom, your campaign is live. And that was it. I know that it wasn't hard for you. I'm waiting to hear your feedback, your questions, anything at all. Just shoot me a message or contact our support team, and we will be there to help you. Thank you very much once again. Keep being awesome. Peace.